What's up, self-upgraders? Do you constantly feel overwhelmed by your endless to-do list? Does it seem like there are never enough hours in the day to tackle everything on your plate? Well, today we're talking about an incredibly useful prioritization tool called the Eisenhower Matrix. Using this simple 2x2 grid can help you finally gain control over your time and focus on what truly matters. This technique was popularized by President Dwight D. Eisenhower in the 1950s. As a general and president, Eisenhower had endless demands on his attention, from the urgent to the trivial. He needed a system to identify what was truly vital versus just busy work. So he devised a basic matrix to help him quickly sort priorities and take action. So here's how the Eisenhower Matrix works. You divide your tasks into 4 categories based on 2 criteria: importance and urgency. Importance means how aligned something is with your core values and long-term goals. Urgency, on the other hand, is about deadlines and whether something demands your immediate attention. Using those lenses, you can slot tasks into 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1: important and urgent. This contains high-stakes items requiring your focus right now. Crisis, imminent deadlines, or time-sensitive issues. You must tackle Quadrant 1 tasks immediately. Quadrant 2: important but not urgent. These tasks align with your priorities but don't demand instant action. Examples are like planning, relationship building, or preventative health care. Schedule time regularly for Quadrant 2 goals. Quadrant 3: urgent but unimportant. These tasks call for your attention, but don't really align with your priorities. Those can be things like emails, meetings, or even texts can fall in this category. Limit time on Q3 activities. They are not much worth it. Finally, Quadrant 4: neither urgent nor important. These time wasters like social media can really be eliminated. You don't need them, self-upgraders. Now, the Eisenhower Matrix may seem simple on the surface, but applying it effectively requires some finesse. Here are 5 tips for making this tool really work for you. Tip 1: block time on your calendar for Quadrant 2 priorities. If you only work reactively, you'll never get to important but not urgent goals. Schedule those activities in advance. Tip 2: set deadlines for Q2 tasks to make them feel more urgent. Self-imposed deadlines can help motivate and make you focus on priorities before they become urgent crises. Tip 3: tackle Q1 urgent tasks immediately. Resist the urge to procrastinate on those pressing items. Handle as soon as possible to avoid stress. Tip 4: limit Q3 distractions. Set boundaries around emails, meetings, and people requesting your time. Learn to say no to guard your focus. Now, let's talk about how to actually apply the Eisenhower Matrix on a daily basis. Here is a simple workflow with 7 simple steps. Step 1: list out all your tasks and responsibilities for the upcoming week. Get everything out of your head and onto paper, or if you prefer digital tools, you can put it in your laptop. Step 2: plot each task on the 2x2 matrix based on importance and urgency. This will visually separate demands on your time. Step 3: rank order the Q1 urgent/important tasks. Knock this out first each day. Step 4: schedule blocks for Q2 priorities. Set time for relationship building, planning, and learning. Step 5: consolidate Q3 items into specific blocks. Batch email, returning calls, or meetings together to limit distraction time. Step 6: ruthlessly eliminate Q4 busy work. Say no to anything unimportant and urgent. And finally, step 7. At the end of each week, review and replot your matrix to adapt. Remember, self-upgraders, your priorities will change with the passing of time. Now, implementing this Eisenhower Matrix process will completely transform how you manage priorities and invest your time. You'll stop reacting and get laser focused on what actually aligns with your goals. So, are you ready to start separating the vital few priorities from the trivial many? Try the Eisenhower Matrix for a week. Let us know how it works for you. What lessons did you learn? How did it change your productivity? Share your experiences in the comments. So, before we wrap up, please remember to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe to the channel. Just click the buttons below the video and follow us and get alerts whenever we post new productivity and personal development content to help you upgrade yourself. We'd really appreciate your support as it helps us reach more people who can benefit from using tools like the Eisenhower Matrix. So, if you get value from this tutorial on the Eisenhower Matrix, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons. It really makes a difference for us. The more self-upgraders we have out there prioritizing their time and energy effectively, the better. Now go out there and make the most of your time by separating your vital few priorities from the trivial many. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.